The ZANU-PF Operation Restore Legacy Facebook page recently published a survey evaluating the performance of the government ministers in 2024, and Women Affairs Minister Monica Muchangwa has received a particularly poor rating. Samira mashoko atona kuti vakomana aiwa varakashi voya vachirakasha mana Muchangwa anodibo subscriber wobva walaika wotina on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mzimu abuda onyora chiti. The analysis posted on Wednesday paints a stark picture of performance in key areas related to gender equality and women empowerment. The survey's findings are as follows: promotion of gender equality 2 out of 10, women empowerment in decision making 3 out of 10, access to finance and women entrepreneurs 1 out of 10, development and support to SMEs 2 out of 10, launch of community development projects 1 out of 10. This leads to an overall score of 3 out of 10. The ZANU-PF Facebook page included a direct question to followers asking, do you agree in response to the low ratings? The criticism of Minister Muchangwa's performance is sparked discussions, as the evaluation seems to reflect broader concerns regarding the administration of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Tomashoko anobuda achingwa panapa panochona kuti aiwa kunyangwe zvavo this communication has been provided and this survey has been provided. Zvinatsokuratidza kuti this administration aiwa iri kuita poor governance and its failure to deliver its promises kuma citizens, particularly now addressa ma needs aiwa ema citizens. Zvinogona zvangouya zvazvo aiwa kuna Muchangwa chete, but ma government ministers mazhinji vanoonekwa pasina zvavari kuita. Zvinonyatsoonekwa nema citizens kuti aiwa vakomana kana vanhu maZimbabweans vanhu vatema vachiitira utsinye kune vamwe vanhu vatema, aiwa utsinye kana kuti isabotage yakakura sei iyo. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda ngome section mendudze mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, tinotonga bell icon.